know that a network is composed of people who share interests and are connected by various relationships or belong to the same relationship. The development of technology and its participation in all fields of life could not leave education aside. Unlike a social network, learning networks have a unique purpose, that is to generate knowledge through the participation of all members through tools such as blogs, forums, and chats. Its advantages are multiple, such as the ease of accessing knowledge, the exchange of information and interaction between students. Competition and cooperation are not seen, as groups move together towards their objectives. These are some of the best of the networks that are specifically directed to the educational field, so that students, teachers and families, if this is the case, are in permanent contact. Leoteca, a children's community where students have the option to read and share their experiences, makes it possible to comment and vote for their favorite books. For teachers, it is very useful since it allows them to follow the reading activity of their students. Inter-universities. Not only is it a social network, it is also a career search engine. It allows users to discover skills and their results help them make vocational decisions. Clipit. It puts into practice new methodologies by acquiring roles. It is a collaborative environment in which students explain and expose concepts through their own videos. Doxity. It allows you to consult notes, news, didactic videos and other material of topics related to biology, law and history, among other subjects. Eduscopia. Defined as a space for reflection and debate that allows generating new ideas to put them into practice in parallel workshops. Seminars and training for parents are offered too. Red Alumnos. It puts teachers and students in contact to teach courses online and support their face-to-face classes. It can also be used in a teaching center and perform online exams, edublogs, chats, etc.